In the first major diplomatic engagement between India and China in nearly 2 years, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his visiting Chinese counterpart Wang Yi held extensive talks covering the eastern Ladakh row and the geopolitical turmoil triggered by the crisis in Ukraine. Senior BJP leader Yogi Aditya Nath will be sworn in as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh for the second consecutive term today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday met a delegation of leading Sikh intellectual voices from across the country at his residence in New Delhi. With 1,685 new COVID-19 cases being reported in a day, India's total tally of infections has climbed to more than 4.3 crores on Friday. Meghalaya records 7 new cases, 6 recoveries in last 24 hours. Civil Aviation Minister Aditya Scindia today inaugurated Wings India exhibition at Begumpet Airport in Hyderabad.